Hi, hello friends. Today we are going to continue the second chapter in the complex number, the root 3 plus I and root 3 minus root 3 minus I. Okay, first, okay, okay. I'm going to connect my iPad screen. Okay, just I'm going to teach only one sum. Okay, root 3, root 3, comma 1. Okay, so this is root 3. This is what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to, like, what it is asking me. The question is asking me the modulus and the principal value. Modulus is nothing but the root of both, right? Tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, which is nothing but theta is equal to pi by 6. Okay, okay. Minus root 3 plus I. Minus root 3 is here. 1 is here. The point is theta is, I mean, the alpha is equal to root 3 by 1, which is equal to 60 pi by 3. Pi by 6, 30 degree, pi by 6. Okay, but uh, what is the angle it is making with pi minus pi by 6 equal to pi by 6, right? Okay, next sum. Minus root 3 minus I. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, second sum. What was my second sum? Minus root 3 plus I. Okay. Minus root 3 plus I usually above, right? Okay, sorry friends. Like minus root 3 by plus I will be above, right? So the concept is correct, but I hope like you can understand. Not a problem. Next, what I'm going to do is minus 3 minus root 3. It is nothing big here. The angle will be same, pi by 6, not a problem. It will be minus of pi by minus pi by minus pi by 6. It is something but pi by 6. Okay, right? Okay. Again pi by 6. And the fourth sum is equal to root 3 plus root 3 minus I, right? Nothing but root 3 minus I. Root 3 minus I will be here, okay? Root 3 minus I, theta will be here, okay? It is equal to like pi by minus 6, okay? I hope you also understood this question. Represent, yeah, this is actually very important sum actually. Example 2.23. Example 2.23, it's a very important sum. Represent the complex number like minus 1 minus I and 1 plus root 3 in polar form. In order to express this in the polar form, what we have to do is we have to like z is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta. We have to first find r and then we have to find cos theta, right? What is r? R is the magnitude. It's minus 1 the whole square plus minus 1 the whole square. Root 2 QR. Second thing, theta. Theta is the standards of pi by 8. Like minus 1 by minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 pi by 4, right? So, yeah, like what I was trying to say is, okay, yeah, actually, like what I'm trying to say is pi by 4, but we also have to consider in which quadrant it lies, right? Okay, minus 1 by minus 5 by 4. 5 plus 5 by 4 is equal to like, so pi minus 5 by 4 is equal to 5 pi by 4. Three pi by 4. 3 pi by 4. 3 by 4, right? Okay. Minus 1 minus I is equal to like root 2 into the cos of 3 pi by 4 plus I sin of 3 pi by 4. Yes. And next sum is equal to 1 plus I root 3 in the polar form. Okay. R is equal to like 1 square plus root 3 the whole square. But 1 plus 3 it is nothing but root 4. But 2, okay, 2 into tan theta is equal to root 3 by 1. Theta is equal to 60 degree, right? Pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 plus I sin by 3. Okay. I hope these two examples are actually like understood for you. Like second question is example 2.24. Okay. Let me take some 10 pages. Okay. So that I can able to teach you in a very, very slow way and actually like very, very cool way. Okay. Next example 2.24. Just add 2 pi both. Okay. Find the principal argument of minus 2 plus 1 pi root 3. Just a rational. Yeah. We don't need to rationalize because we have a property called argument of z is equal to argument of z1 minus z2. No need to like yeah, argument of z1 minus argument of z2. Argument of 2 is 0. Like you may be wondering how I wrote argument of 2 is equal to 0 because it lies in the negative x-axis which is 0. I hope you understood later. Like tan of theta is equal to like minus tan inverse of root 3, which is nothing but pi by 6. 30 degree, right? Pi by 3. Okay. I also want to check in which quadrant it lies, right? Actually, it is pi by 3. It's not 0. This is the value is 0, but it's 80 degree, right? 80. It's nothing but 2 pi by 3. Okay, wow. I hope you understood this problem. Next problem is actually like next problem we are going to talk about the properties of polar form. It is very, 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 very interesting chapter which you must actually learn it and then apply in your real life. You cannot able to apply these kind of things in the real life. You can able to apply only in terms of research. Okay. In real life, these are actually useless. If possible in scientific world, it is possible. R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. Like asking me the inverse is equal to like see one of the important concept is actually 1 by r into cos theta minus I sin theta. See, actually during the previous classes you would be learned like finding the inverse using some other methods called as like 1 by yeah, right. See, whenever there is an increase in the exercise, you are becoming smarter and smarter. Okay, correct, right? So if z is equal to r into cos theta plus I sin theta, z is equal to 1 by r cos theta minus I sin theta, right? Okay, how can I prove this? Z is equal to 1 by z. Okay, 1 by r into cos theta plus I sin theta, right? 1 into r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So multiplying this, rationalizing it. How can I rationalize it? Cos theta plus I minus I sin theta. See, you would have done a lot of concept in the complex numbers, so you would know this. Yeah, like cos theta minus I sin theta, like after that r is there, and like cos square theta plus I sin square theta, right? Which is 1. So 1 by r into cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. I hope you would have understood this property. Like what this property is saying actually, like whenever you find the inverse, the magnitude becomes 1 by inverse of magnitude. For example, if there is a number called z is equal to 2 plus I3 theta, the magnitude is 5, right? What's the magnitude? 4 plus 9, right? Let me take a Pythagoras triplet so it will be very easy for you. 4 plus 3. The magnitude is 5, right? If you take inverse, magnitude will be 1 by 5, right? Let me see whether check whether it is correct or wrong. So in this observation actually, like let me find the inverse and then let me prove you whether this inverse is 1 by 5. Let me rationalize it. Yes, very very cool, right? 4 minus 3 by what is the 16 plus 9? It's nothing but 25, right? So 4 by 25 minus 3 by 25 I is equal to the inverse. So finding the modulus is equal to 16 plus 9 by 25, which is nothing but 25 square. Just add square, right? A problem. So 1 by 25, which is nothing but root 1 by 5. See how easy it is. Okay. The angle will be same, it seems. See, and the angle will be same. You will cos theta minus sin theta. It means that what is the geometrical meaning of that? Like cos theta and sin theta minus 1. Which means that it is a conjugate, so it will be developing out this, right? Cos theta will be same and sin theta will be just negative. Cool. So next property 2 is nothing but like z1 is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Cos theta plus I sin theta, and z2 is equal to cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. If we multiply both equations, what we will get? We will get r into cos theta of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I sin of theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay. What is the meaning of that is like whenever we have two complex numbers and we multiply the quantity of complex numbers, the magnitude will be like multiplied by its own magnitude and the angle will be added. What will be geometrical representation? Here theta 1 and here theta 2. Okay. If we multiply both this, the new will be theta 1 plus theta 2 and the magnitude will be doubled. Sorry, I cannot use the word doubled. It will be multiplied by its own magnitude. Very very simple concept, right? Okay. I don't need to like take examples for this, but although I cannot be able to take the example for this, but can I take an example and prove that it's just right? Yeah. Yeah, let me just have a proof for this so that you can able to understand those concepts very easily. Okay. If z1 is equal to r1 into cos of theta 1 plus I sin theta 2, theta 1, and z2 is equal to r2 of cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. Z1 bar z2 is equal to r1 into r1 cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1 into r2 into cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. I sin theta 2. r1 cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1 into r2 cos theta 2 plus ir sin theta 2. If we try to expand this, r1 r2 cos theta to 1 minus sin theta of the cos theta of the cos theta 2 minus sin theta 1 dot sin theta 2 plus I sin of theta 1 cos theta 2 plus I sin theta dot cos theta 1. Okay. 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 Next proof, I think it will show homework for you. I cannot able to write all the proof and able to prove that homework is nothing but z1 by z2 is equal to very simple cos theta minus sin theta 2 plus I sin. So homework for you. Just do that. Next example 2.25. Okay. Example 2.25 is a very interesting problem. Like what we have to do is like to find a product of two things, right? Yeah. These are just exercises for you, like cos of pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 into like cos of pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6, right? Actually, in order to get afraid of, instead of getting afraid of this problem, just add the to this cos of pi by 3 plus pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 3 plus pi by 6. I sin 7 by 6. 9 into cos of 7 pi by 6 plus I sin of 7 pi by 6, right? 7 into 180 degree by 6. Minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 plus 6 square. X square is equal to like equal to plus minus I by 2. Okay, I hope you understood this problem. Yeah, okay. Okay. Find the example 2.26, right? You can able to find it yourself, not a problem. 2.27, you can able to find it yourself. No, I will do it myself, right? Because see, these are the things you can do it by yourself. See, you may think that I'm scribbling or talking. You can do it yourself. See, I'm little tired actually. Yeah, not a problem. Find a quotient of 2 into cos of pi 9 pi by 4 plus sin of 9 pi by 4 plus. Okay, friends, like actually I have to find a quotient, right? Problem. See, just to read the question, just actually like by 2 and the angles are better, the question is over. Problem actually. Now. Exercise 2.7. A very, very important problem. Exercise 2.7. Okay. Actually, in school, they will be teaching only the exercise, right? They will not be teaching the example. But now I am teaching everything. So kindly subscribe my channel. Please respect my hard work. 2.7. Example 2.7. Write the following in the polar form of the complex numbers. They are asking me to write in the polar form, right? Exercise 2.7. First problem. 2 plus I into 2 root 3. Okay. Is equal to x plus iy. Essentially r into cos theta plus I sin theta, right? This is the first quadrant, so no need of changing any problem. R is equal to root of 4 plus 4 into 3. But 12 plus 16 is equal to 4. 4 into cos tan theta is equal to root 3. Theta is equal to pi by 6, 30 degree 6. Which is nothing but 4 into cos of 2k pi plus pi by 3 plus I sin of 2k pi by pi plus pi by 3. Second problem. 3 minus I root 3. R is equal to 3 plus root 3 the whole square, which is nothing but 9 plus 3, which is equal to root 12, which is also called as written as 4 into 3 is equal to 2 root 3. So tan theta is equal to root 3 by 3, which is nothing but 1 by root 3 minus of 1 by root 3. What is the angle? Okay, one more important thing is we have to just do the modulus before finding the modulus sign. Okay, tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3, theta is equal to pi by 3, right? Sorry, pi by 6. Okay, since I am doing a lot of work, you must be appreciating me, friends. Like, kindly show your support, or else I am demotivated by your viewers. 2 root 3 into, actually there is one more problem here, right? We have to also find the quadrant in which they lies. 3 into 3 and minus root 3. But 3 is here. Minus root 3 is. It's actually coming in the fourth quadrant, which means that the triangle will be formed like this. So it will be negative of pi. The angle will be negative. Very, very simple problem. If you understand the problem will become very, very simple. If you try to mug up the problem, the problem will become very, very difficult as you think. Just try to understand the basics and just try to derive that. No need to mug up anything. Just try to understand that you can able to easily solve 12th standard maths. 12th standard maths is just a piece of cakewalk for you if you understand mathematics. Okay. Next, minus 2 into I root 2. Okay, then fourth sum. I think this 7 sums will take nearly around 1.5 hours, but I'm going to take it. My energy is going to be wasted, but I'm not going to be worried because I have ultimate energy. Okay, next sum, third sum. Minus 2 minus I root 2. See, actually, like what I'm trying to say is, firstly, kindly understand in which quadrant this complex numbers lies. Because even though if you are finding the right answer, that the problem also lies in the quadrant. See, the finding the quadrant also makes, if you are making any mistake in finding the quadrant, Your entire hard work is going to be wasted in finding the, if you are making the mistake in the quadrant. So finding the quadrant of the complex number is very, 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 very important. Okay. Plus comma plus, minus comma plus, minus comma minus, minus comma. Okay. R is equal to minus to the whole square plus minus to the whole square. It's nothing but 4 plus 4 is equal to 8, which is nothing but 4 into 2 into 4 is equal to 2 root 2. Okay. Tan theta is equal to modulus of 2 by 2 is equal to 2 root 2. In which quadrant it is? It is given on the third quadrant, 5 by 4. So 5 minus 5 by 4. 3 by 4. 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4, right? Yeah. Actually, here 3 pi by 4. And which quadrant it is, right? It is like it is given in pi by 4 here. Minus of minus is pi by 4. Oh, it will not be forming like this. It will be forming like this. What's the meaning of that? Pi by 4. Yeah, correct, friends. I was wondering like why they have minus the, yeah, like very important. See, actually, one more concept you have to be understanding it very thoroughly. What is the concept? The concept also likes the trigonometry. What is the trigonometry is we have to keep this in mind in order to solve the problems in an efficient and decent way. Whenever a line is rotated in the counterclockwise, it is taken as positive, and whenever the line is rotated in the counterclockwise, it is taken as a positive. Okay. Actually, my laptop battery is bent down. It's draining up. So it's time for me to find my, it is positive. This is negative, right? In the argument, they have mentioned it is something like angle made the positive axis. So this is pi by 4. This is pi. Pi minus pi by 4 will be 3 pi by 4. But one important concept. The angle is negative. So minus 3 by 5 by 4. 2 into root 3 in the cos of 2k pi minus 3 pi by 4. 2k pi minus 3 by 4. Okay. Next sum, fourth sum. Find the value of x plus iy. Sorry, just me the second thing. Like cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. 1 minus I is equal to cos 60 degree, which is nothing but root 3 by 2, right? Sorry. Plus root 3 by 2. I think I have to like rationalize it and then I have to again rationalize it and then do a lot of things. Okay, not a problem. But I'm giving this as a homework for you. I'm a little tired. Okay. See. Okay, find the rectangle from the complex number. And then what I'll do is find the third sum, fourth sum, fifth sum, sixth sum. Okay. Cos of pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 into cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. So if we multiply two things, what will happen? The magnitude will be multiplied by 1. So this magnitude what will be 1. So 1. Cos of my energy is drained, friends. Really drained. I don't know what happened to my body. Or actually, I think this is going to be a tougher job for me. Yeah, the second sum is a homework for you. Do some from homeworks. Then only you will learn a lot of things. Yes, right. And the third sum is the final sum I am going to do today. Okay. X plus iy into, okay, the product of these things equal to a plus ib. Then show that. Okay, friends, actually, like this sum I can able to do it, and more than I think able to, you are going to do it. Okay.